What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell. So as you can see from the title, today we have an unboxing. I haven't done one of these in a little while, so we have the Yeezy Gap collab, the hoodies. These came out, I think 2 weeks ago on a Wednesday, and I saw the email like an hour late. I did want to check out, try and get my size large or XL, but after an hour, those pretty much sold out before everything else. So I was able to I grabbed 3 smalls and a medium. But yeah, we're just gonna check it out. I've seen a lot of people online talking about, oh, it's a Walmart hoodie and all this stuff. And it's like, but what, besides branding or screen printing or whatever on a hoodie, what is the real difference between most hoodies? You get what I'm saying? Like, and if you've seen most of Kanye's clothing besides his like tour merch is minimalist, no branding, just focusing on the quality, the shape, and how it feels on your body. And he's been doing that for about almost 10 years now. So I don't know, a lot of people are saying that, but yeah, we're gonna unbox these and then, check them out. All right, so we have the first box here. We're gonna just open it up. And inside, I saw this on Twitter too. Get this like paper package. Nothing crazy. And let's see what's inside. And that's the other thing when people talk about, oh, it's so plain. Even the Yeezy like packaging normally came in those like just plain cardboard boxes, and then they started putting 350 and 700 on it, so I don't know. Okay, so here we have pretty much that signature hoodie. You get that, this is pretty much his signature hoodie. We've seen him in the last couple of years. You get that Yeezy tag right there, and yeah, I mean, it feels pretty thick, but again, nothing super crazy. It does have some weight to it. So let's get into this next box. It should have 2 hoodies in it. I think the black was the most like popular, and it's been delayed, so it's not coming till like December. And here we have the brown hoodie. And this is one I actually wanted too, but like I said, I got on too late. It's a size small. Getting that heavy material. Yeezy tag right there. And then this is the light brown, so it's a different tone. This is actually a medium, so like I said, I wear a large, but I'll try this on just so you guys can kind of see how it fits on body. I don't want to like mislead anybody, but like I said, I couldn't get a large, so we'll just see how it fits, and then you can kind of guess how to size from there. So yeah, as y'all can see, I just wanted to show y'all the fit of it. This is the medium, and it definitely fits a little small. So it is cropped, so it is shorter here and a little more longer out and boxy, as you can see with the sleeves. But it's definitely super heavy. Like, it's soft, but it's not like nothing crazy you probably felt before, but it's like, when I picked it up, like, these are heavy, so these are really good for the fall, even like the winter time, and throw on like a light jacket even over it, or like a bomber jacket, and like you'll be good to go. So like, this is how it fits on me. Like I said, this is a size medium and I wear a large, so. And who knows what it'll look like after you wash it, but I just want you guys to see like how it looks on the body. Definitely a good amount of length on the hood. As you can see, comes all the way over like this. This how far it goes. So if you want to just rock it like this, you want to just rock it like this, or you know, pull it over a little bit. You know, that's how it's looking. Yeah, I'm not a model or anything, so sorry if this doesn't, you know, do it for you, but I just wanted y'all to see how it looks on the body. But definitely, I don't know, I think if you're thinking about buying it, I wouldn't pay resale for it. Resale has dropped. I did plan to just like flip them, like quick flip if I couldn't get my size, which I didn't, but they're pretty much going for almost retail now, so I'll probably just return them or see maybe I can make like $5 on eBay or something. But yeah, but let me just show y'all what the other ones look like too. So this is a dark brown. This one I really wanted, honestly, but like I said, I got on hour late, and y'all know everybody's on the brown wave now with Travis, but you see how it's that cropped? I'm trying to hold it up. You see it's like cropped but more wide for that boxier fit. So if you're into that, which I am, I think he did a good job. $90, I mean, you know, if you're willing to spend it, you're willing to spend it. And this is, you know, his signature blue one that we've seen him in all the time. So, you know, I'll just give y'all literally no branding on it. And at first people was getting mad because some of the samples show there wasn't no pockets on it, which would have been even crazier. But you got that kangaroo pouch on it, nothing crazy. You know, it's just a regular hoodie. And you, I mean, if you know, you know, I guess, or if you just care about comfort and, you know, don't care about branding and stuff like that, then, you know, you get that small Yeezy tag right there, which no one will obviously see, but hey, if you're about the clothes and not about people knowing what you're wearing, then you'll buy it. But that's it for me, guys. Let me know what you guys thought about the hoodies, how they fit, were you hyped to get them? Do you just think it's, you know, just another money grab, or, you know, people are just losing their minds and all that? You know, I think I gave an honest review about how I felt about the hoodies. Like, I didn't comment on pictures I saw on Twitter or anything. I physically got them in hand, spent money on them, touched them, put it on, walked around in it, and you know, I think it's pretty decent. I mean, is $90 a little steep? Yeah, but I mean, I think we've spent money on that just because brands put a logo on it. You know, if you want a nice neutral color hoodie, heavy for the fall and winter time, then it's a good buy. Hopefully they'll be available in stores pretty soon and you won't have to worry about, you know, pre-orders and all that. I did buy all three of the round jackets too, the blue, the black, and the red. The blue I think is supposed to get here next month, and then the black I think is in December, and then the red is supposed to be in January. So, you know, I'm sure prices on those will go down. Like, people are spending like $500, $600 somehow on them. I don't know if people got them early or whatever, but those will definitely come back down once those orders come in. You know, people are just selling early and things like that. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Please leave a like and subscribe. We're almost at 100 subscribers. I want to hit that before the end of the year, and I got a lot more videos coming on the way. I'm filming like 4 videos this week alone, so y'all got a lot of good content to look forward to. But appreciate you guys. I'll catch you on the next one.